Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Real Sonar Wireless Smart Fish Finder. The portable transducer range is the iBobber. It is specially designed for kayak or shore fishing. It doesn't require permanent installation onto a hull, just pop it in your tackle box. The app has a great log system that marks your spots, water temperature, depth, lure type, species, and photos into a fishing trip log. It is also suitable for ice fishing or night fishing. It also works in both freshwater and saltwater. The only portable fish finder, fish attractor, an app you can bring with you wherever you fish. The original iBobber was designed with portability and flexibility in mind, and iBobber Pulse with Fish Siren is no different. No matter the skill level and type, any angler can take the latest castable sonar fish finding technology anywhere, while also taking the smallest fish attractor unit on the market, all in one. Fishermen and women can mark and call fish, map depth contours and underwater structure, GPS tag catch location, save fish species, water temp, photos and hotspots in the trip log, and choose to share on social media directly through the iBobber app if desired. For details, let's
with a bunch of other great features. You got a trip log on here. It's going to allow you to record the day's events, and you can even drop pins with GPS locations so that you can remember those great fishing spots. You guys can also log things like temperature, fishing spots, anything you want. You can even upload that to social media and send it to your friends that are stuck at the office. The iBobber has a 10-hour battery life, so this thing is going to be good for the entire day of fishing. The iBobber is going to make any day of fishing way better. We all have sonars, or most of us do, on our boats these days, but when you have a place that you need to get into that sonar can't read, use the iBobber. You can use the iBobber from a kayak, from your dock, or from the shore. To sum it up, anybody that loves to fish and wants to find fish needs to have an iBobber. iBobber. Cast, find, catch, repeat.
Our second best fish finder for kayak is Humminbird Helix 5 fish finder. If you want the biggest screen for your dollar, then the Helix 5 Chirp Sonar G2 is the way to go. Unlike the others we've recommended, this fish finder uses a landscape orientation, which can be very handy on a kayak. If you fish shallow, you will make a lot of low sidearm casts and pitches to cover, so having a fish finder that doesn't sit as high on your gunnels can be a benefit. New for this year is Chirp Sonar, which can help provide visual separation of fish from other returns. Third pick in our list is Garmin Striker 4 fish finder. This high-frequency 3.5-inch fish finder comes with a color display and keypad controls, which makes it easy to navigate and friendly for people who might not understand tech as much. It also features a rechargeable battery. Garmin's Chirp transducer technology helps the fish finder update faster as you're moving through the water, so you miss less fish. Since the Striker fish finder series includes high-sensitivity GPS, you can see your position in relation to waypoints you have marked. Use the waypoint map to easily view, mark and navigate to locations such as brush piles, stumps and docks. It's also a great tool for finding your way back to the boat ramp. You can quickly and easily see your boat's speed on the screen of your Striker fish finder. It's a great tool to make sure you are trolling at the right speed for the lure you're using and for a particular fish species. It's also a good way to tell if you are going the right speed in weight-controlled areas. Number 4 in our side is Humminbird PiranhaMax 4 fish finder. The Humminbird PiranhaMax series offers the ultimate in portability, with simple-to-use features designed to help you easily find and catch more fish, no matter where they hide. With modern styling and a larger 4.3-inch color LCD, the PiranhaMax 4 will give you a fresh perspective on what's below your boat. Thanks to a redesigned, even easier to use interface. Fish ID Plus, fish alarms, depth alarms and zoom has never been simpler. Feature for feature, it packs a technological chomp that no fish finder in its class can match. With sonar technology, see what you want with dual beam sonar. Choose from a narrow beam for great detail or a wide beam for a generous coverage area, helping you identify fish, structure and contours. Number 5 in our top 5 best fish finder for kayak list is Lowrance Hook Reveal 7 Triple Shot. The Hook series has been revamped this year, now called the Hook Reveal series, replacing the Hook 2. The name Reveal refers to the fish reveal view that overlays Chirp sonar data from the water column over the structure view from down. Scan. The idea is to get the best of both worlds, fish arches from 2D sonar, and detailed bottom images from down. Scan. The units still go by the odd names of Split Shot and Triple Shot. Split Shot is the sonar plus down scan model, and Triple Shot adds side scan to the mix. The pricing on these units is extremely aggressive. The 7-inch models are a nice chunk of change cheaper than others' models. The 7-inch is an ideal size for a serious fishing kayak. The Hook Reveal 7 fish finder has an 800 by 480 pixel screen with a compact base, making it ideal for kayak fishing where space is limited. The Hook Reveal 7 Triple Shot has regular 2D sonar, down scan, and side scan imaging, plus chirp in medium and high frequency ranges, making this unit one of the most versatile kayak fisher finders available to fishermen today. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.